Hello, welcome back. Here is the free CryptoRewards.com is highly trusted websites in the world. Crypto Rewards is an online platform that allows users to earn money through various activities in the cryptocurrency space. For easy ways to earn free crypto, watch TV, answer surveys, do offers, and download apps. Convert your points to any of these cryptocurrencies. All crypto orders are fulfilled within 48 hours. Here is the free Bitcoin, free Elrond coin, and much more. With Crypto Rewards, you have the opportunity to make money online by completing tasks, participating in surveys, watching videos, playing games, and more. The platform rewards users with cryptocurrency tokens for their engagement and contributions. First, you join here and sign up. When you sign up for these programs, you receive a unique referral link or code. Share this link with others, and if they sign up or make a purchase through it, you earn a commission or reward. These tokens can be accumulated and later exchanged for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency, depending on the options available on the platform. Here you fill this form as accurate information is important with sign-up process. Follow these methods. Create profiles and offer services to clients, earning money for your work. Keep in mind that specific terms and conditions apply, so it's important to review the requirements and limitations of each platform. Remember to review the terms and conditions of each platform to understand the specific requirements and limitations for earning money or rewards through signing up. Here is the platform. Earn 500 points for completing your demographics and increase your chances of qualifying for surveys. Earn 500 points for completing your demographics. Complete all demographic question and immediately earn 500 points. Increase your chances of being matched with a survey and receive emails that are accurately matched to your profile. You just give simple your information and get 500 points. It's simple work. To get more points, click a category below to get started. What is your education? It's totally take 5 minutes to fill all their information and get extra point to earn money here. The platform rewards users with cryptocurrency tokens for their engagement and contributions. These tokens can be accumulated and later exchanged for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency, depending on the options available on the platform. Crypto Rewards leverages the blockchain technology to provide transparency and security to its users. By utilizing cryptocurrencies, it offers a decentralized and efficient way to earn money online. Here is the surveys to fill by simple task and earn more money. But first you start here. You need to fill the first task, 500 points, and you will eligible for all tasks. To get started with Crypto Rewards, you typically need to create an account on their website or mobile app. While online platforms like Crypto Rewards can provide opportunities to earn money, it's crucial to exercise caution and do thorough research. Here is the watch small video and earn more points. To this is awesome ways to earn. If you are the handworker, you will earn much more money. There is no offer because you first complete your first task, which is 500 points. Give your information and you will get all the tasks. This is offer task. Here is more ways to earn. This is unbelievable to make money online is very easy. Users can participate in online surveys on various topics and earn tokens for providing their opinions and feedback. Survey length and rewards may vary based on the complexity and duration of the survey. Crypto rewards may offer gaming opportunities where users can earn tokens by playing certain online games or participating in gaming tournaments. Crypto rewards partners with advertisers and other companies to provide users with tasks and offers. These may include signing up for other platforms or services, downloading apps, completing online forms, or engaging with sponsored content. Users earn tokens for successfully completing these tasks. One of the significant advantages of earning money through crypto rewards is the potential for cryptocurrency price appreciation. If the value of the cryptocurrency you earn increases over time, your earnings can grow significantly. Many platforms incentivize users to refer others to join crypto rewards. Users receive a unique referral link, and when someone signs up through their link and starts earning tokens, the referring user receives a bonus or commission-based. Here is the payment method. You will withdraw your payment with PayPal, and minimum payout is $2. PayPal rewards will only be sent to the email specified in your GrabPoints account. For instructions on adding more emails to a PayPal account, the platforms like crypto rewards is the flexibility they offer. Users can typically choose when and how much time they want to dedicate to earning money. Whether you prefer to complete tasks in your spare time or engage in more intensive activities,